All right, so we're gonna try making lentil sloppy joes in the Instapot. As you can see in there already, I have a a grated onion and a can of tomato paste. You could chop your onion, doesn't matter. And then you will add a cup of lentils. You love lentils. A can, an 8-ounce can, so a smaller can of tomato sauce. You will want to add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You'll want, see if I can get the lid open, a tablespoon. See if I can do this while holding the video camera. Of Worcestershire sauce. See if I can do this. I don't know if I can. I would just eyeball it, but there you go, Worcestershire. And now I want some apple cider vinegar. If you don't have apple cider, regular old vinegar works just great, and the lid's on very tight. Dump some in my measuring bowl. There it goes. Some apple cider vinegar. Alright. Now I like to toss a little Montreal steak seasoning in for good measure. Just a little bit. I put it in a lot of things I could bake with or cook with. Because, well, I like it. It's good. Alright, now this you can either use some chicken broth, you could use vegetable broth, you could use beef broth, doesn't matter. Or if you don't want to use broth at all, you could simply use water. That's it. You're going to add 3 cups of either water or broth in. Alright, I added in all the broth. Then I gave it just a little stir. Don't necessarily need to do that, I just did. And you're going to want to push your lid on. Yeah, I have a toddler helping me, yeah. That's why I had to stop it a second ago, because he, as you can see, turned the water on. Alright, so put it on, make sure you have it set to seal. And then you're going to want to set it to the bean setting for about 20 minutes. And that's it. You just let it go till then. Alrighty, so I went off and watched my night in business report, and this is done. But it's not quite depressurized, so I'm going to manually do it. Alright, so I just depressurized it, and that's what it looks like. You can see it without the hood. That's my toddler helping. We're going to stir it around. That's looking pretty good. We can get the steam away so you can see. I'm going to put it on saute and firm it up for a little bit. So if it's too liquidy, just saute for a couple of minutes. Switch to saute. Oh, sorry. Cancel. Saute. And my set. Oh, he didn't dump it in. Alright, so we'll saute it and firm it up just a little bit. It's almost probably about right. But I like it a little bit thicker. So I will see you again after it's sauteed. Alright, so after I sauteed it for like 3 to 4 minutes, got thick enough for my preference. If you like it thicker, saute it a little longer. If you like it thinner, don't saute it, or saute it for less time. And that's it. Grab some hamburger buns, pile it up, enjoy. I'm serving it with some tater tots for my kids. And that's it. Dinner's ready in less than 30 minutes. Yay!